Okay guys, I've added that extra note and branding over there. Sizes have been added. If you want this extra information down here, additional information, okay, I've just made a dummy one called branding guidelines and then 1 and 2 info. To add that, you have to add it to attributes. So if you go to your products, so let's say I'm working on my tracksuit top, I go down, okay, right at the bottom, you go attributes. You have to add the attributes to it, and this will be displayed on the product page. In this case, let me just remove this one. I'll show you. If I go branding guidelines or options, guidelines, I'll click add. It's visible on the product page, so that's checked on. You just leave it as it is. But you must remember to click this, select all, and then choose, and those info 1, info 2 will be displayed. If you don't want both information, just say you want the one information, you can just delete the one like that, or delete them both. Or just click inside here and choose the one that you want, info 2, or select all. Okay, it's up to you what information you want to add there. So let's say it's info 2, I'll save it and update it. See, now I've got, go to my products, go to tracksuits. Okay, so down here, additional information. Now I've only got info 2 in there. Earlier I had info 1 and info 2. All right, so you can add this different information as you like. Okay, so just remember this is under attributes. But now to get these attributes listed over here, before you can even add them, you have to first create them. So if I go under my products, there's attributes. It lists all the attributes you've got. And we've got guidelines, options, color, and size. So if you want to edit this guidelines, you just click on configure terms, and it'll open up this info 1, info 2 areas. Info 1, info 2, and then I can go inside and I can change information. Or I can just click on info 1 and change the information info here, update it. That'll automatically be displayed on your products page. Okay,